Hi guys, back again with another video. Now in this video, we're going to do the real life review of the NeoFlex optical film from Spigen. So we are going to put this on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. So this phone actually has a curved screen. So curved screen has problems with screen protection in general, whether it's tempered glass or film or membranes, whatever it is. There are some limitations. So in this video, you will be seeing how to actually install this first. So it's not a regular process where you just take out the film from the glass and just put it. There is a little bit of extra work involved. So I'll be showing you how to actually do all that, how to actually install this, and then after that I've actually used it for some time, and then since this is a real life review, I'll be talking about my experience with this and what to expect from this. Now there are a lot of reviews I've seen online where people are complaining about this. They're saying it's not good, there are a lot of bubbles, there's this problem, that problem. So I'll be explaining to you how to not get into those problems, how to actually correctly do it, and if you have the problem, what are the solutions and why to expect those problems. So I'll be talking about all of that. So let's go ahead, start with the video, see the installation process first, then we'll talk about the rest of the things. Let's go. Okay, so you guys have seen the video, you've seen the installation process. Now let me just explain to you how the installation process went. So basically when you're actually installing a tempered glass, the tempered glass is hard, so you just remove the film, the tempered glass keeps its shape, and then you keep it on the phone, and then you align it, and then you put it. So that's easy. But here, since it's a film and the film is bendy, it will not remain straight. You can't just hold the film like that and put it on that. You have to actually put it on the screen and then align it, and then remove the excess water. So that's what happened here. Now since it's a film, it can even stick to your hand or anything that is touching to it. You have to put the liquid on your hand first. So first take the liquid out, put it on your hand, moist your hand so that it does not stick to the membrane. Then open up the film, then put the spray on the film also, and then put the spray on the phone, and then put it on the phone, align it, and then once it's aligned, keep one side pressed down, and then remove the water from one side. Now this will stick to the screen, and then keep your hand here and then remove it from the other side, and this will stick to the screen, and then slowly remove the water from all the sides. That's all. That's the process. Now in this process, there will be some water which will remain on the screen, which will eventually dry out and go out. Generally in a day or two, all the bubbles go off. Now when I installed it, there was a patch of bubbles over here which was very visible. That in a day it became less, and then as the day progressed, like in 2 to 3 days, the entire patch went off. I still see a little bit of residue which I can only see when it is switched off, the screen is off. I can see a little bit of it, but not much. Now if you want to remove that also, you will have to remove the film, put the water again, put it, and do the entire process again. So the films are reusable. So I use these films for my foldable phones and curved phones, because foldable phone, obviously, because if you put a glass and you fold it, it'll break. If you have a curved phone, the curves, the glass do not hold it properly, and the cases push them out. Now when you're planning to buy a screen protection, there are two things you can get. You can get a glass or a film. In film also, you get regular plastic film, and you get membrane. Membrane is the best. Now, for a phone with a pen, S Pen, a membrane is the better idea because it gives you a paper feel when you actually use the pen on it. It has a slight grip, so it feels better. So I use the membrane on my Fold series. So I do a lot of, I take a lot of notes, and I like the membrane on that. Now here, pen is one advantage. Second is the curved part. With the cases, the if you put a case, the curved part is also protected and it pushes out the tempered glass. If the membrane also, you will have the same problem. Because of that, they've actually not given the membrane till the end. You see there is a gap here, so that gap is going to remain. So that's for case friendliness. So you can put any case, but if you have cases like these sorry like these, then you actually have a inward cut over here. It's not outward, it's not grabbing the curve, it is going inwards and allowing you to use the curve. So in that scenario, you can have a full tempered glass or a full protection. In that scenario, you don't have a problem. But if you have phones where the curve is not inward, like even this is a Samsung one, this one, the curve is not inward, it's outward, and even on this it's outward. Now you can see here in the corner, you can see this is an inward curve, so it will allow you to use the curve a little bit. So if you have the ones which allow you to use the curve, you can put any tempered glass, any screen protection, no issues. But if you have cases which are going to hold the curve, then the membrane, this membrane is going to be a good option. Now, the limitations of the membrane, this is going to protect you from any scratches, but it's not going to protect you from drops. So if the phone drops and there was something hard on the ground, this is going to get damaged. Your screen is going to get damaged. So remember that this is just scratch protection, not drop protection. So that's all for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment. And I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.